If you're into cold aviation mysteries, this one's brutal. If you're a true crime skywatcher, you need to hear about Qantas Flight 21. One night in 1950, a plane simply stopped being there. December 1950. Qantas Flight 21 departs. Routine flight, seasoned crew. Hours later, it disappears from radar somewhere over the Indian Ocean. No mayday, no debris recovered, just an empty patch of sea and a ton of questions. Investigations turned up theories: sudden structural failure, catastrophic weather, navigational error, but evidence? Practically zero. What we know: lives lost, records limited, a mystery that grew with time. Qantas 21 is one of those haunting vanishings that reminds you aviation is brave and fragile. Think about it next time you look up.